The registration process is very easy. Make sure you create a new Trustwallet account. It's very easy. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go to this your browser at the bottom side here. You see it at the bottom side. Where you click on it, you are going to see this place where you can paste the referral link you copied. Okay, now when you paste it, you go ahead and load it. Now you wait for it to load perfectly. It is going to display the page right here. All right, when you display this page, first of all, go to this top side. Look at this top side. Change this icon to BNB. Look at this. Change it to this BNB here, and then good. Now the next thing you want to do here is to click on this connect. You can see that this address has been changed successfully. You understand? And it's now on BNB Smart Chain. Go ahead and click on connect here. Okay. Now when you click on connect, you're going to choose Trustwallet. So I will choose Trustwallet here. Then I will click on this connect here at the bottom side. You can see it is successfully connected. All right. The next thing you want to do here is click on launch web. All right. Click on launch web. So I'll click on launch web. You can see it has been successfully loaded. Now you are going to fill these details: your first name, your last name, your email address, and your phone number. But before then, make sure you wait and this your referral link load. All right, so just wait for it to load. So it's going to take some time. So while it is loading, let me be filling my own details. All right, so this is first name. Okay, let me just give it time for it to load, the referral link to load. So I might pause this video and come back. My referral address I've shown at this top side here. Although this particular stuff here is not showing even while I am typing, so let me see if I can blindly fill this up. All right, last name. All right, then the email address, I'm going to actually fill this up. Okay, then the phone number, I will put 2348068561199. Then I'll click on save. Let me see, because field required. So it's not loading up for me to fill up these details. So I think I have to reload the page to see. I'm reloading the page again. So this is where the problem is right now. Okay, so it's not giving me the option to be able to write something. So finally found the solution to the problem. If you are facing what I faced just now, go and update your Trustwallet and it's going to load. So I'll quickly fill this now. So and then I will put my phone number. And I'll click on save. You can see user